Hi folks, it's Moz here, and if you are an Airfix club member, you may want to watch this video on the deals that they are doing on their very first Airfix club members sale. So many Airfix club members would have received the email today announcing for the first time that Airfix are going to be doing a club members only discount sale, and some of these savings are up to 44% off. The email says, as a valued member of the Airfix Club, we are treating you to something special. An exclusive members only sale packed with fantastic deals across a range of kits in various scales. From classic kits to nostalgic favourites, this is your chance to add these must-haves to your workbench, available to club members only. This exclusive sale is our way of saying thank you for being part of the Airfix Club. You then click onto the link and it will take you to the sign-in page where you sign in, obviously, where you will see, I think it's 13 different kits that you can buy up to 44% off. HMS Victory, Land Rover, the McDonnell Douglas Phantom FG1 or FGR2 has been reduced from like £34.99 down to £23.34. If you fancy getting your hands on a 148 Supermarine Seafire F Mark 17, also reduced down to £23.34. Even the Gloster Meteor F.8 has also been reduced from £49.99 to £27.79. There are plenty of kits here for you to have a look at and decide whether you want to buy them. But also, once you put these in your basket, I noticed that the club membership 10% also gets put on top of that reduced price. So let's say you purchase the VE Day 80th anniversary bundle, which includes a 148 Supermarine Spitfire Mark 1 and the 148 Hawk Hurricane Mark 1, which for me, that is the best 148 Hurricane Mark 1 that's out there. It also comes with their collector's coin, and when you go into the checkout, you will see that they have added the 5% discount on that product. So you'll be getting it for £44.99, and this one here comes with free postage. If you spend over £40, you will get free postage on this. So it might be worth buying a few of these kits to take you over that threshold for free postage. So that's a prime example of a kit that's saying like 33% off. If you add that discount, club member discount of 10%, it puts it up to 44%. So in theory, some of these kits are actually 50% off. So for instance, if you buy the Land Rover, which retail price is £14.99, they're offering a 44% discount, and that price goes down to £8.33. If you add that 10% off the £8.33, you actually are buying it for £7.50. So that's half price of what the kit would cost RRP. So that becomes a 50% discount on that particular kit. And so as you go through the kits, if it's a 33% discount, it actually equates to a 40% discount if you add on that 10% extra off the kits that you would get normally if you are a club member. It's a bit of a deal, this one. So yes, if you're a club member, it may be worth you looking at these deals that they have on their website. I will leave a link in the description box below where it will take you to the shop, and then all you've got to do is log in with your club membership logins, and you will get these kits up to 50% off if you include that 10% club membership that you would get normally on any of the Airfix kits. So this is a bit of an info video for those who are club members. I personally am a club member. I have put in quite a few kits, as you can imagine, to buy, and hopefully they'll be with me in the next couple of days. But if this information has been useful to you, will you please leave a comment in the box below and let me know what kits you've been purchased if you are a club member. Anyway, that's it. Just a quick video just to let you know of these deals that are happening on the Airfix site. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release any video. Any questions, any comments, leave in the box below because I do reply. Huge shout out to my channel members who help me financially with this channel. If you'd like to become a channel member, click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. We have a club meet on Tuesday night, so members can join in from their workbench, and we have some chats about building scale models. We have a bit of banter, and we discuss techniques on this evening, normally on a Tuesday from 8 PM. And that's it from me. In one of the four corners will be a video or a playlist of other content on my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great week.